Guangdong Yuehui Technologies Incorporated is a professional manufacturer engaged in research, development, production, sale and service of bopp packing tape and jumbo roll, masking tape, double-sided tape, low-noise tape, duct tape, foam tape, and high-temperature, electronic, auto industry adhesive tape. We have large production base in Guangdong and Hunan, covering an area of about 70,000 square meters. We are engaged in the raw material researching, glue producing, printing, coating glue, slitting and cutting, paper core. The production is one-stop producing by ourselves. Our advanced equipment including coating machine, slitting machine, rewinding machine, which are all automatic machines, can bring us fast delivery, reliable quality and efficient productivity. Every year, we will attend twice Canton Fair, spring in April and autumn in October. Also, there are 3 to 4 overseas exhibitions will be attended each year, such as Milano IPAC IMA 2018, Las Vegas, the PAC Expo 2017, Germany, Interpac 2017, Dubai, Golf Print and PAC 2017, Chicago, the PAC Expo 2016, Japan, Tokyo PAC 2016. We are happy to approach our customers and face-to-face communication. Our company welcomes OEM and ODM models. If you need any kind of tapes, please contact with our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We deeply appreciate for every customer's trust. Thank you very much.